Hello everyone, I'm Jonathan. I'm gonna go over my TikTok like project, which I called ClickClock. As you can see here, you just have one part, which is a video. People can just scroll through videos to see videos. Very easy, simple, boom. They can give comments, likes, share the video. They can go on the user profile to see the videos they like, the information, and more things. They can share it as well. Um, and I want to go into explaining how my recommendation system works, which is the most interesting part. So the way the recommendation system works, that ClickClock, my app, tracks a lot of interactions, a lot of user interaction, and then stores them in Firebase, in the Firebase database. The interaction it tracks for is that for every video that every user watches, it will track whether user commented the video, liked the video, shared the video, then the video percentage that he watched of that video. And then based on that, we'll build an extensive user profile. You just have the first part where for every category, we have an average watch percentage, total watch time in seconds, likes, the amount of likes that we're giving to that category, like, the amount of comments and shared, and the last time the interaction was detected. And all of these are built upon a lot of recommendations. Then we feed these two collections to an AI, and the way we do it is that we're retrieving all the collections from the Firebase database through a Google Cloud BigQuery. We were then cleaning the data because it came as a JSON. In JSON format, so you had to clean them and then put them into one big table and combine them. They were clean, and then all the data was passed into the Vertex AI classification model. And we had over 1,200 interactions, over 15 users. And then that model was trained every hour to account for new interactions. And then the way it worked is that once it was trained, it would predict whether a video would be liked or not for a user based on the user profile and the information of a specific video. So the way we would do it is that Firebase would call a Google Cloud function that would take the information from a user profile here and a bunch of videos, and every collection based on the video, where the video would have the category lifestyle, the amount of comments it had, the amount of likes it had, and then that Google Cloud function would take the information, feed it into the AI, and that AI would give information back whether a user would like it or not, and based on that, it would be displayed or not to a user in ClickClock. The way we dealt with cold start is that the first amount of videos that a user would be given were the videos with the most likes ever. And also when he signed up, he would have the choice to write down 10 categories, to check 10 categories that he liked. So he would get the most liked videos in those categories. And then once we got a good amount of interaction, the user profile would be built. Then once there was enough interaction to have a solid user profile, that's when you would start going to the AI recommendation system through Vertex AI. So this is how the AI recommendation system works. What I would have liked to implement if I had more time was tracking more interactions, more metadata, more patterns of behaviors, more than just likes, comments, of that. I would have liked to create a comment moderation as well, and also a feature to track the sentiment of comment, whether it's a positive or negative feeling. That's what I would have liked to done. But thank you for following this project.